If you want a business looking to create awesome website for it, then don't worry, I got you covered. I introduce to you GBope Tech TV. They will take your business to the next level with amazing and stunning designs. Valley Tech expert in services like graphic designing, they will create for you the most unique designs you have ever seen. They also specialize in mobile and desktop app developing. Just bring to them your ideas, and they will execute for you within a short possible time. Social media and online marketing is another service they render. They will help your business connect to people through all social media sites, which includes YouTube growth and monetization. They also specialize in video ads designing. Get your website designed with interactive video promo. Visit their YouTube channel at YouTube name as GBope Tech TV. If you want a business looking to create awesome website for it, then don't worry, I got you covered.
Hello. Welcome once again. The name still remains GBope Tech TV. To my fellows best stickers, if you know you are new watching this channel, can you subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell. Anytime that video is being uploaded, you'll be notified. Let's jump into this video. Today we are going to learn how to earn free money on a betting platform, new betting platform that can be used to stake and more promotions. The name of this website is 1xBet. Go to Google Play Store and search of 1xBet. Download 1xBet. After you finish downloading, register and use the promo code Gaddafi Bet. Gaddafi Bet. The Gaddafi is GADDAFI. The G is small letter. All the alphabets are small letters. So just put Gaddafi Bet as your promo code. Then you earn 200% bonus of your first deposit. And there is a new promo there that we're going to give to you as a giveaway at the end of this video. So just stick to this video and watch to the end. Now, when you go to Play Store, type 1xBet. Download the 1xBet. When you finish downloading 1xBet, type on open. When you launch it, go to register, sign up, and you register with your correct mobile money number or whatever you want to register with. So after you finish registering, they'll ask you for promotion code in the registration form. So the promo code is Gaddafi Bet. Gaddafi Bet. The Gaddafi is GADDAI. AFIBET. That is the promo code. So it will be on the screen. Just look at it on the screen. The screen said download 1xBet, register with the promo code Gaddafi Bet. So that's all about that, and you get your 200% bonus of your first deposit. As I said, now if you know you are also waiting for this giveaway, 1xBet is giving us a promo that whenever you stake a bet and even lose, they'll give you 10% of your staking. So if you win, they'll give you another bonus attached to your money for earning. So thank you for always being in this channel, and you are welcome.